Hello, my name is Lydia. In this video, we will be discussing pest management in oil palm. This group consists of me, Magdalena, Kwe, Yap, and Ambrose. As an introduction, oil palm is a tree in the palm family or Ericaceae with the scientific name Aloes guineensis that comes from Africa. Oil palm is grown extensively as a source of oil in Malaysia. The same as any other crops, oil palm is also susceptible to pests. Some of the most common pests of oil palms are rats, bagworm, rhinoceros beetle, weeds like rumput lalang, and some pathogens that cause diseases. In this video, we will be discussing the management of common pests in oil palm, including insect pests, diseases, weeds, and rodents. First, I will discuss one of the insect pests in oil palm such as bagworms. According to a study, bagworm is recognized as the most destructive insect pest in the oil palm plantation in peninsular Malaysia. The infestation causes leaf defoliation from early instar larvae and becomes worse as the larvae grow. The species of bagworm that can cause outbreaks in the oil palm are Metisa plana, Thorima pendula, and Mahasina corbeti. To control bagworm outbreaks, IPM or Integrated Pest Management is an ideal method. Some of the most effective methods are the usage of Bacillus thuringiensis bioinsecticides, planting of beneficial plants to attract natural enemies of bagworms, and installation of pheromone traps.
Hi, I am Magdalena. I am going to continue to talk about the common insect pests like rhinoceros beetles, bunch moth, and termites that always attack oil palm cultivations. Orosic rhinoceros, commonly known as the rhinoceros beetle, is a major pest of oil palm, especially in replanting fields. It damages palms by boring into the center of the crown, injuring the young growing tissues and feeding on the exuded sap. The planters need to have good agricultural practices, such as planting of cover crops, proper management of biomass residues, and the use of microbes as biological agents such as metazoum and orosic nudibvirus to reduce the infestation of rhinoceros beetle. Next is the bunch moth Tirataba rufivena. It is commonly found in areas with palms between 3 to 5 years old. The bunch moth larvae are the destructive stage, infesting mostly on post-anthesis male inflorescence, female inflorescence, and the developing bunches. Severe infestation has led fruits and whole bunch to rot. The planters can apply microbes such as Bacillus thuringiensis and Metazoum encephaliae as a biological control to reduce the number of bunch moth. In an outbreak situation, planters are advised to use chemical products such as cypermethrin by spraying method. Cotothermus corvinatus is a primary termite species that able to kill oil palm trees. It feeds on immature palms and damages the apical meristem at the base of the spear. On mature palms, it will damage the trunk, in which the termite sometimes nests. To control termites, planters can use insecticides such as chloropyrifos or fipronil, either by spraying at the base or spear of the infested palms. Besides, planters can also apply biological control, which is the use of entomopathogenic fungi for termite management to prevent environment pollution.
Hi, my name is Kwechong. Right now, I'm going to discuss the topic about diseases on oil palm. So far until today, pests and diseases are posing a significant threat to oil palm cultivation. There are many kinds of disease that can attack oil palm depending on the region. The major diseases that attack oil palm trees are bud and spear rot, red ring disease, and basal stem rot. However, in Malaysia, the most common diseases are basal stem rot disease and followed by leaf spot, which have been detected in recent years. Firstly, basal stem rot and upper stem rot disease. This disease is caused by a pathogenic bacillomyces, which is Ganoderma boninense, or we call it Ganoderma disease. The disease starts with the colonization of the oil palm root by pathogenic fungi. Then the pathogen can be spread through the root infection and bacilliospores to nearby healthy palms. Recently, a report in Malaysia shows that the Ganoderma disease caused 50% yield loss, with 80% of the oil palm having been infected in the coastal areas. Next is the leaf spot by Neospestalothiosis saprophytica. This disease is spotted in Malaysia during April to May 2016. The leaf spot symptoms were observed on leaf of oil palm in oil palm plantation located at UPM Serang Selangor. The symptoms of the disease are yellow-brown spots appearing on leaves, and later the spots will enlarge to form necrotic blotches.
Now let's talk about weeds. Weeds are among the plants that grow in our planting sites. They're including flower, herbs, grass, climbers, small tree, and fungi. Weeds are threatened to our crops because it will competing for nutrients, sunlight, and water, which will increase the burden to our farmer to supply enough nutrients and water to their crops. The common weeds in Sarawak oil palm plantations are Lantana camara, we also call it bunga tahi ayam, Imperata cylindrica, rumput lalang, Strinocena paurustris, paku pakis. However, we can get rid of those weeds by using so many ways. Firstly, we can manually remove those weeds by using our balance. Chemical like herbicide or weedicide, and also with the help of herbivore to eat those weeds in our planting site. We also can plant leguminous cover plants, which can provide nutrients to our crops and also provide no place for the weeds to grow. If we want to remove the weeds manually using our hand, we must uproot the weeds before the reproduction stage.
I am Rosdona from Group 3, and today I will present pest management in oil palm, and topic I will present are about rodents. What is rodent? So basically rodents are mammals, will not include mice, rat, squirrel, and porcupine. So in this presentation, I would like to present pests that most major in oil palm plantation, which is rats. Two main goals to control rats population at oil palm plantation are firstly how to keep rat damage from fresh fruit bunches, and how to keep the rats population under control. So on this slide, I will discuss 4 steps how to monitoring of rats damage in oil palm plantation. For first step, in a mature plantings, less than 3 years after planting, the plantation should be visited regularly, at least once per month, to check for signs of rat damage. Step 2, when harvesting productive palm, check bunches for rats damage. For step 3, if rats damage is observed in a harvested bunch, all the other bunches should also be checked and the percentage of damaged bunches noted. For final step, if more than 10% of the bunches or immature palm show sign of fresh rats damage, it can be decided to take control measure. For biological control of rats and oil palm plantation, there are methods where mostly the cheapest, safest, and easy way to control rats is by biological control. Biological control of rats population can be done by introducing balm oil, which is known as a Taito alba by scientific name, or by conserving other predators such as snakes. Such predators should not be killed unless they are serious danger to worker or their family. Balm oils and other predators can help keep a rat population under control, but from time to time that the number of rats may still grow fast. An outbreak. If an outbreak occurs and the farmer decides to take action, it must be kept in mind that the poison used to kill the rat can also harm the balm owls and other predators when they eat the poisonous rats. Farmers should think carefully before using poison and make sure that they have all the information they need. So in conclusion, there are many types of insects, disease, weeds, and rodents that can attack and cause damage on oil palm plantation. If farmer fail to manage those pest outbreak that lead to economic loss will happen. Therefore, the right and effective pest management is needed to control each type of pest on the oil palm and sustainable management of insects. pests with long-term effects is now in practice by most plantations. Increased effort in this pest management practice will ensure better management of pests and disease management for sustainable and long-term control of pests and disease in oil palm. This is to conclude end of our presentation from Group T with topic about pest management at oil palm plantation. Thank you.